Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Luck Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, we're gonna talk about Tesla stock. It's now already over 2,000. Should we buy, hold, or sell before split? If this is your first time to Rich Luck Insider, make sure you subscribe to our channel because we talk about stock investment, real estate, how to make more money, and also how to live in USA. If you want to make more money and succeed in life, hit the bell so that you do not miss any of our videos. So today's topic is gonna be about Tesla stock analysis and buy case. The pros and cons. What's gonna happen if you buy, and if you want to sell. These are the things that you need to know. So hold. Basically, I hear my opinions, or should we hold the stocks. So comment below if there's any stock you would like me to feature. The more requests there is, the higher the chance of getting the stocks features on this channel. So, and bonus, that's gonna be my prediction about Tesla stock. Somewhere in the video, and what I may do with my Tesla stocks. So let's get to it. Holy moly, look at Tesla stock price. It's already over 2049 and 98. And it's already above pre anus, the price before this pandemic happens, the price was only 917. So now it's already over 2000. That's crazy. It's double the price, just a matter of 2-3 months. So it wasn't long ago that I published this video on July 2nd. Tesla stock 1119. What to do. So if you haven't watched this video, just go ahead and watch this video. And 2 weeks later, I made another videos because Tesla stock reached 1500 and my price prediction was 4500. Now it's just 1 month, it's already 2000. So what's gonna change? Is it too expensive? Should we buy, or should we sell, or should we hold? So what happened was Tesla stock, the price was dropping a little bit. I was kind of happy about it because in my opinion, I don't think that the stock price should be going up all the time. Then it's gonna crash. But then there was an announcement came in. The Elon Musk announced that Tesla gonna be making a stock split on August 11th. So since August 11th, the price just jumped. It's crazy, just jumped. If you look at Tesla, basically it's jumped from 1374 to right now 2049. So it's 49% jump in only just a matter of 10 days. Just a matter of 10 days. Look at the market cap. It's 382 market cap, as PE ratio is 1054. So look at Toyota. Toyota, not long ago, Toyota used to be the most valuable car company in the world. And Tesla overtook. It's 217.44 billion. Tesla has more than 150 billion. So market share over Toyota. And look at the price. Toyota hasn't recovered the price action. If you look at it, and they also pay dividends. And so that's pretty much crazy. And P ratio is only 12.96%. So automobile usually P ratio is between 10 and 15 P ratios. But Tesla, look at this, it's 1054.89. That's pretty crazy. So maybe Tesla, my prediction is for the next 5 to 10 years. Now it's already, a few months, and it's already halfway there. So let's look at what's going on. So Google, maybe Tesla is being compared to technology company. So let's look at technology company like Google. So P ratio 35, only 35.63 and 1.07 trillion dollars. So Tesla is only 380 billions. So Google is not that, compared to Tesla, it's not that high. And also they also recover, before pandemic price. So another technology company, Apple, this one also recover just way above the in February price. It's only 37.8. Let's make it 38. 2.13 trillion. And look at Microsoft, it's also 37. So if you look at it, it's between 35 and kind of 38, 39. So 1.61 trillion. Microsoft, this one also recover. So we are starting to see trends. Technology company and recover and also hit new high compared to the car companies. That told so so Amazon, look at it. Just crazy. Before March, it was only 2,170. Now it's 3,284, and 1.65 trillion dollars as well. And P/E ratio is 126.26. So this is one tech company that was listed on Nasdaq over 100 triple digits. So Tesla is like 4 digits. So basically, so Tesla is even more higher price than this Amazon. So Nasdaq, look at the average for the stocks in the Nasdaq. P ratio is August 21st, only 23.2. It's only 23.2 P ratio Nasdaq. And S&P 500, look at it, it's 29.2, but average is 15.81. Even the S&P 500 highest, 123, cannot beat Tesla P ratio. That's really crazy. So look at the P ratio, it's really high. If higher than February, look at the graph going up, crazy. So look at this, the graph is almost like perpendicular, 90 degree. 1 year ago it was only $200, so it's 10 times your money within 1 year. So is P ratio more than 1,000? Is it justified or is it too much? Is it a good time to sell right now? So once I see this graph, so I'm just like, wow, that's so crazy graph. So let's think about it. So how many years of growth have Tesla price been priced in? So analysts are basically estimated that next year EPS is gonna be 15.55, and current year is gonna end by 8.7. So it's about 79% increase. So let's say it's 80% increase. So current stock price is 2,000. So reasonable, let's say, because we look at the different types of technology company, Google, Facebook, Google, Amazon, Apple stocks. So they are basically around that price range, 35 to 40. Let's make it 40 for reasonable price. Yeah. But I believe Tesla P is gonna be higher than that. Should be, because they look at the tremendous growth that is experiencing. But let's be so conservative. Let's say the reasonable P is only $40. So let's divide the current price by 40. So EPS should be 51. So if Tesla stock, if you think that Tesla stock P should only be 40, and their EPS should be 51. So how many years would it take for Tesla to hit 51 EPS? So let's make it 80% increase every year. Let's make it very simple. 80% increase every year. So in year 2023 and somewhere 2023 and 2024, around there, it's gonna basically get 51 EPS. So it's basically pricing in 3 to 8 years of growth. 3 to 8 years of growth. So, and that for the company like this Tesla that's growing really, really fast, if they grow faster than 80%, then you are just paying for 2 years. So that's not bad. 2 years and less than 3 years, that's not bad. But if they are growth is gonna be choppy and going up and going down, 1 year is 100%, another year is 20%, then I foresee the stock price is gonna be like choppy too, going up, going down, going up, going down. Then the 8 years is maybe too much to wait. So should we buy right now? The question is, it's gonna be really tough, because if you never bought Tesla before and you just kept watching the price going up, going up, going up, and you want to buy this Tesla right now at 2,000, you better be prepared to hold and not look at this stock for a long time. Really, seriously, not for a long time. What if Tesla say doesn't grow by 80%, only grow by 50% or 20%, 30%, that company could trade sideways, going up, going down, just almost like straight line for a few years. It could happen, maybe 3, 4, 5 years. You never know. So, so if you are buying, you have to be really long-term investor. I believe in this company, and this company could grow faster than 80% EPS. This company could become a number one in electric vehicle, and also they could develop a robot taxi, and they're gonna dominate the China market. So also the solar, I believe that every house in America gonna use solar panel, because recently the California had a rule that for the new construction houses they have to put solar panel. So that's good for Tesla. So if you think that everything's gonna go away, and the Tesla price should be like 2,500, 3,000, or even 4,500, like I do, then it might make sense to buy. If you haven't bought it yet, and also you also fear of missing out. You don't want to have a fear of missing out, and you believe in a company. The main thing is that it doesn't matter if you buy it before split or after split. But usually when the announcement happens of the split, the stock tends to go up because the smaller investor will be able to invest after the split. So existing investor excited about it, so they buy more, push up the price. So this is the only case that I think you want to buy. But if you are thinking about selling, that will be very difficult questions too. Now that you're making so much money on Tesla stock, should I say? Should I say I also don't want to miss out. What if after I sell this stock, it's gonna go up to 2,500? So that's a difficult question. And the case for selling is, if you think the price is gonna go sideways for the next 3, 5 years, and that there is something better, then that it might make sense for you to sell the stock. So it's really depends on what you really think and what you really can buy, and how much budget you have. How much position you have. But if you are having like 30, 40, 50% of your portfolio in Tesla, yeah, by all means sell some of those portions. You want to basically manage your risk. So the cost, the things that you should not sell is because you better be prepared to pay taxes. Let's say if you're making 100,000 in profits in Tesla, you're in short term. So basically, you are looking at paying about 30,000 in taxes. 30,000 in taxes, because only long-term capital gains tax rate could be 15%. If you are between this income bracket, and if you're between 0 to 40%, you don't need to pay. And if you are more, you just pay 20%. If not, you just need to pay at your ordinary income tax bracket. That's gonna be a lot. So what if Tesla's EPS grows faster than 80% a year? After you said Tesla just came out and they're just dominating the market, or their battery could last a long time, and also the charging time takes about less than 5 minutes or 10 minutes. That's gonna change the game. And also, if the battery price drops, and if they come up with really automated driving and automated robot taxi that's gonna overtake Uber and Lyft, then the price of 2,000, in my opinion, is too low. It's too low. So if this happen, yes, you don't want to sell it that way. So how about holding? If you already have some Tesla holding, or we have a very, very easy decision to make. It's really nice to see the Tesla stock go up. I bought it around 700. Now it's already 3 times my money, and it's just nice to see that whole. It's okay if the price go down. In my opinion, I'm just gonna buy more, because I'm looking at this company for the next 5, 10 years. Maybe even before for 20 years. 20 years may be too long, but 5 to 10 years, I believe that the sky's gonna be phenomenal. The growth rate gonna be phenomenal. So even better than Apple, or or Microsoft or Google. That's what I think. So bonus video, I guess gonna be bonus video somewhere is coming soon. So you better watch until the end. So what do you do now? So risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. So make sure you do your own research. You make your decision based on your own research, not because you're listening to somebody from YouTube like me. And yeah, so make sure you know your stuff before you buy. I'm not a finance advisor, so only buy something that you will be perfectly happy to hold if the market shut down for 10 years. So if you buy this stock, hey, tomorrow the stock market closes down, are you okay with buying this stock? If it's yes, by all means do so. And if you think that you have too much cash and it's a terrible asset that pays you nothing and it's going to depreciate value, yeah, sure, you put some of those in Tesla's stock. And success comes from knowing what you don't know. So make sure you research and do know what you are buying. So make sure you subscribe and share this video. And if you want to get free stocks or audiobooks, the link is going to be below as well. And 3 stars below, click the link and deposit $100, and you could potentially get up to 1,400 in a free stock. If you have $10 and you want to invest in Tesla or Amazon or Apple, you can do that. There is something called Fractional Share M1 Finance. I put the link below as well. Make sure you sign up. You get a free stock. It's totally free stars, so there is nothing for you to lose. If you want to become a real estate agent, want to get a licensing cost, the links below as well. If you want to get free interest-free credit card for like 12 months or 14 months, click the link below as well. I put the link below above the video. If it's Facebook, it's going to be above the video. If it's YouTube, it's going to be below in the description or comment below. And if you're paying more than $15 a month for your mobile phone, you're paying too much. So I use this mobile phone. I like it so far. Unlimited self testing, calling, and data plan. Data slows down after a certain amount, so depending on what you choose. Click the link below as well. You're gonna get 15 months for the promotion period. So if you are thinking about traveling, click the link below as well. Who knows, you're gonna win a free stay. So bonus gonna come here. So Tesla, Elon Musk, I think he's gonna raise money because the valuation of the company is really high, all-time high. It's the best time to raise money because he needs to have more factories and more charging stations, to make the infrastructure better. So raise money. It's a very good time to raise money. As a shareholder, I don't mind diluting my position, because it's good for the company. You have more cash, because right now the whole Rona thing happening. So we don't know when it's going to be over. So it's good to have some cash. So my prediction is gonna be like Tesla's company gonna raise some money. If the Tesla stock price drops when they raise money, that's great. Then I'm just gonna buy more. The theory versus reality, the stock split shouldn't change the company, because business does not simply get better or worse because of stock split. But in reality, stocks tend to rise after the announcement, because investor, the stocks gonna become more affordable and accessible for the small investor. So they buy and potentially more demand from newer investor after the split as well. And also you need to know that Tesla's could be in the S&P 500 very soon. So what I may do, I may hold and buy more when it drops. I just gonna love holding Tesla. I was just gonna buy if it drops as well. And just a small disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. This is not an investment advice. Do your own independent research before buying or selling any security. All investment have risks, so you can make a lot of money or lose all your money. It's all your responsibility to do the research. So if you want to reach out to me, the best way is comment in the video below, and you can reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook as well. So subscribe, share this video. That's gonna help the channel a lot. I really appreciate it, and I would really love to know where you are watching from. And comment your city, state, and country below. And if you have any questions, let me know as well. Subscribe YouTube and like CFAS on Facebook, and follow Instagram. And don't forget to get free stocks and audiobooks in the description and comment. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.